So now, first of all, good morning, everyone.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So today we are going to start with a new lesson of geography. That is lesson number 3, Our Changing Earth. Our Changing Earth.
I'm chapter number 3 of geography.
Chapter number 3 of geography. And listen, those who have made 3 notebooks for SST, that is history, civics, geography, please try to do work in one notebook only from the next time. And whatever work, even if one lesson is done in one notebook, you can either keep it there only, and you can start at least means in one notebook itself. अब next time से एक notebook में काम शुरू कर दीजिए, so that it will be easy for me to have a note of all the notebooks you are submitting. Means one notebook each. Previously, initially in the initial stages only, I had asked you to make one notebook for history, civics, and geography. Those who have prepared 3 notebooks for SST, प्लीज अगर एक एक लेसन ही करा है ज्योग्राफी और इकोनॉमी, ज्योग्राफी और सिविक्स में, तो आप हिस्ट्री में आप उसको पेज टेयर करके और या तो हिस्ट्री में चिपका लीजिए, और नहीं तो वो एक एक लेसन फर्स्ट लेसन उसी में रहने दीजिए, और आप है ना हिस्ट्री वाली नोटबुक में कंटिन्यू कर लीजिए काम. क्लियर? जो आपने जैसे मेरे को दिया है ना चेक करने के लिए, आई हैव चेक द नोटबुक, नो डाउट, बट वो चेक करने के बाद अगर आप चाहो तो वो नोटबुक का काम उसी में रहने दीजिए, एक एक जो लेसन किया है, और नहीं तो आप वो पेपर टेयर करके हिस्ट्री में चिपका लीजिए. क्लियर? दूसरे जो ज्योग्राफी और सिविक्स का करा अगर एक एक लेसन तो, और नहीं टीयर करेंगे, अनटाइडी रखेगा, so no problem. Now you continue with your history notebook only. In one history notebook only, you write down on the top geography, civics, and you start the work over there. Continue in continuation. Don't leave any pages. I hope it is clear. Yes, Charushi.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Charushi, want to ask anything? And whatever PDF I am giving on the student portal, please do it according to that only, question answers and all. Don't do the question answers which as if whatever, I don't know from where you have taken out and you are doing it yourself. Which books you are concerning, I don't know. So please do the work which I am giving you on the student portal in the PDF form. The question answers will be in that particular the according to that only, very short, short and long. Clear, everyone? Because few students are
Yes, ma'am.
not doing according to the pattern which I am giving you. Not doing according to the pattern. They are just doing short and long, and that too half answers only they are writing. So I have given notes. If any problem I had seen in the notebooks, I have given the remark over there. Please go through that and try to write down the correct spellings at least from the PDF. Okay, fine. Now we'll start with the our changing earth. Lesson number 3. I hope you have opened your book.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now as the name indicates, our changing earth. Our changing earth means, from the name itself, it is clear that continuous changes are appearing deep inside the earth. Yes or no? It is not static, but
Yes, ma'am.
many changes are continuously taking place in our earth, deep inside our earth also. It is in exterior part also and interior part also. That is why the name of the lesson is Our Changing Earth. That is not our earth is almost entirely changing, but the movement of the plates deep inside the earth makes little bit changes deep inside the earth also, and outside the earth also we can see the changes. Clear? And what all changes we will find out, we will see in this lesson. Clear?
Ma'am, there's so much of background noise.
No, I'm not able to hear better. Which type of noise?
Ma'am, there is so much of background noise.
Background noise. So which type of
Ma'am,
noise? Yes.
of birds, ma'am.
Birds. Okay, let me close my door because I am having the noise. Okay. Now okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh,
Thank you, ma'am.
oh, sorry. I forgot to close the door today. Okay, now the lithosphere is broken into small plates. The lithosphere is broken into small number of plates known as lithospheric plates. Now, what is first lithosphere? I hope this word is not new to you. Lithosphere.
No,
the
ma'am.
land, and the land part of the earth.
And the land part.
Very good, very good.
Land part.
Very good. We can say that the rigid outer part, जो solid outer part of the earth hai, that consists of crust and upper mantle, which consists of crust and upper mantle. Three layers of the earth, you know na? Crust, mantle,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
deep inside is core.
Core.
तो crust और जो upper mantle का part है वो lithosphere बनाता है. So the lithosphere is broken into number of plates. This lithosphere, this layer of the earth is broken into number of plates, and those number of plates which it is broken into, it is called as lithospheric plates. As the lithosphere is broken, so it is called as lithospheric plates. Clear? Underline this. You will be surprised
Yes,
to know
ma'am.
that these plates move around very slowly, just a few millimeters each year. Now you will be surprised to know that these plates, which plates we are talking about? Eating plates?
Lithospheric plates.
Lithospheric. Yes, lithospheric plates we are talking about. So these plates, a little very slow movement is there in these plates of lithosphere, and we can say that is how much few millimeters each year, means पूरे साल में few millimeters only there is a movement in these plates, and this is because of the movement of molten magma. And why this movement is there in the lithosphere plates? Because of the movement of molten magma. And where is molten magma present? Deep inside the earth, है ना? तो वहां पर जब molten
Yes, ma'am.
magma means पिघला हुआ होता है, एक तरीके से liquid form में होता है magma. When it moves, जब वो move करता है तो definitely the plates above will move, and it is very in a slow movement is there, very slow position is there of this movement. So the molten magma inside the earth moves in a circular manner. And in which manner this movement is there? In a circular manner. Circular manner means
Circular movement.
circular movement. Clear?
Yes, and
This-
circle.
circle. As is shown in the activity, as it is shown in this activity, you don't have to do this activity. Just I'm reading it once. Take a small colored paper palette and put it in the beaker half filled. Small colored paper they are taking, and it has been put into the beaker that is half filled with water. Place the beaker on the trapode. Trapode is a stand, scientific apparatus. Clear? So place the beaker on the trapode stand and heat it, and then it is being heated. This water beaker is being heated with filled with water. As the water warms up, you will observe that the paper palette is moving upward. When as the water gets heated or warms up, the paper palette, the piece of paper, that means which is put in the beaker, it starts moving upward along with the warm layers of the water. जैसे जैसे layers बनती है warm layers, पहले एक लेयर गर्म होती है, फिर दूसरी लेयर गर्म होती है, तो उस लेयर के अकॉर्डिंग धीरे धीरे ये पेपर क्या होता है, ऊपर की तरफ फ्लोट करने लगता है. क्लियर? Upward along with the warm layer of the
Yes,
water
ma'am.
and then sinks back along with the cooler layers of the water. और जैसे ही ठंडी लेयर आती है तो वापस वो थोड़ा सा सिंक हो जाता है, नीचे डूबने लगता है. फिर वापस से जैसे ही उसको वार्म लेयर एक आती है पानी की, तो वापस से वो वार्म लेयर आते ही वो क्या हो जाता है, ऊपर की तरफ फ्लोट करने लगता है. क्लियर?
Float
हाँ.
Upward.
So,
And when the cool air comes in, it sinks
हाँ.
down.
Very good. So the molten magma inside the earth moves in the similar manner. इसी तरीके से similar manner में वो molten magma भी deep inside the earth it moves in the same manner. Now here grocery, what is lithospheric plates? You can underline this. The earth crust consists of, wait a second. The earth crust consists of several large and small, rigid, irregularly shaped slabs which carry continents and the ocean floors. That is called as lithospheric plates. Now, what are lithospheric plates? Lithosphere, you know, hard, solid, outer part of the earth, which consists of crust and upper upper mantle. Then the earth crust, that is the outer part of outer layer of the earth. The earth crust consists of several large and small, rigid, irregularly shaped plates. Irregularly shaped means regular नहीं है वो, irregular shaped plates है, कोई बड़ी है कोई छोटी है, in a form of slabs, and which carry the continents. और ये जो slabs है ये क्या carry कर रहे हैं अपने साथ? Continents. Clear? And the ocean floors. Then
Ocean float.
as lithospheric plates. Now coming back to the lesson, the movement of these plates causes change on the surface of the earth. अब जब deep inside the earth, when there will be the movement deep inside the earth, then definitely it will be movement on the top also, थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर भी vibrations वगैरह appear होंगे. Then these movement in the plate causes the change on the surface also, earth surface also. And the earth movement are divided on the basis of forces which cause them. और जो movement है earth का वो किस पे divided means it can be divided according to the forces which causes them. Which causes them means जो force उसको main force which is the reason for the movement, bringing the movement in the earth, that reason forms the basis for the division of the earth movement. अब दो टाइप से मूवमेंट को हम डिवाइड कर सकते हैं, एंडोजेनिक फोर्स और एक्सोजेनिक फोर्स. द फोर्सेस व्हिच एक्ट इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ, जो बहुत इंटीरियर डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ में जो फोर्सेस एक्ट करते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंडोजेनिक फोर्स. क्लियर? जिनकी वजह से
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अर्थ में मूवमेंट होता है आउटर पार्ट में. एंड द फोर्सेस दैट वर्क ऑन द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, और जो फोर्सेस जो सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ में काम कर रही है, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज एक्सोजेनिक फोर्स. क्लियर? नाउ यू विल, इट विल बी मोर मेड.
Yes, ma'am.
Now earth movement is divided into, as we have seen, endogenic and exogenic.
Exogenic, ma'am.
Earth movement is divided into endogenic and exogenic. Two divisions are there. Now
Endogenic and exogenic.
very good. Endogenic forces are again divided into two parts, that is sudden forces and dystrophic forces. Dystrophic forces, sudden forces and dystrophic forces. Now sudden, what are sudden forces? Sudden forces are in the form of earthquake, volcano, and landslides.
Landslides.
I hope these words are not clear to you. Earthquake, volcano, and landslides.
Volcano and volcano are clear, ma'am. Landslides are not clear.
It's not clear.
Landslides, you have not read landslides?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Previous lesson, acha, it was not in your class. It was in 8th standard. Detailed study of landslides is given in the 8th standard book. I was thinking that it was in yours only, but it is not in yours, no problem. Or it is in yours only. Wait, let me see. When there is in deep inside the earth, when there is movement, clear, तो वो जो हायर एल्टीट्यूड पे जो रॉक्स एंड माउंटेन्स होती हैं वो क्या होती हैं, डिस्टर्ब हो जाती हैं, एंड दे स्टार्ट व्हाट,
मैम
ब्रेकिंग, हाँ गिरना शुरू हो जाती है, दे स्टार्ट ब्रेकिंग डाउन, और जब वो ब्रेक डाउन
Yes,
होने
ma'am.
लगती है ब्रेक डाउन होने लगती है तो वो नीचे की तरफ गिरने लगती है, एंड वॉट एवर डाउन settlements, human settlements are there, or whatever they are, it is very harmful for human settlement especially. Clear? I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the mass
Ma'am, I
movement.
don't understand endosomic and exosomic.
Acha, endogenic means the forces which work deep inside the earth. Inside the earth में जो ये tectonic forces में जो tectonic ये plates हैं, इसमें forces काम करते हैं अंदर deep inside में, continuously work होता रहता है, उससे क्या sudden forces rose होते हैं, that is called as earthquake, volcano and landslide, and diastrophic forces, that is building mountains and all, that is called as diastrophic forces. Then second is exogenic forces. Exogenic forces causes erosional and depositional work. Erosional and depositional work. ये erosional and depositional work किससे होता है? Exogenic. Exogenic means जब forces काम करते हैं और it affects on the outer part of the earth, surface of the earth. तो erosional आपको पता है? Erosional क्या होता है? The carrying away of
Ma'am,
erosion.
No, ma'am.
the carrying away of the land.
Very good. The carrying of the soil, fertile soil, by the work of water या wind. Water या wind से बहुत तेज हवाएं चलने लगती है, बहुत तेज अगर पानी फ्लो होगा तो क्या होगा, ऊपर की जो लेयर होगी और सॉइल की वो कैरी अवे हो जाएगी, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इरोजन. और डेपोजिशनल मीन्स जब वो प्रेशर कम होगा वाटर का और इसका विंड का, तो वो कहीं जाकर के सेटल होंगी, जैसे प्रेशर कम होगा तो the settle when these particles or grains of the soil settle somewhere else, it is in the form of depositional. Depositional means this word is made from deposited. Deposited means settle down. Clear both the words, erosional and depositional?
Yes, ma'am.
Erosional means carrying away of the upper layer of the earth, that is soil and all, through the work of water and wind. Fast flowing water and wind, they carry the upper layer of the earth, that is the soil part, and then that part, when pressure in the water and air is wind speed slows down, it is deposited somewhere else. यहाँ से उठ करके यहाँ विंड इतनी तेज हवा बही या पानी बहा, और जब यहाँ पर कम हुआ उसका फोर्स, तो ये जो चीज वॉट एवर इट इज कैरीड विद द स्पीड ऑफ द विंड एंड द वाटर, वो अब उसको क्या हो गया, वो स्पीड कम होते ही एक दूसरी जगह डिपॉजिट हो गया. सो दैट इज द इरोजनल एंड डेपोजिशनल. अब इससे क्या बनता है? रिवर्स आर फॉर्म इन दिस वे. Wind, rivers is the main reason I said that water activity, then wind activity through the sea waves also. Sea waves की वजह से भी जब waves ज्यादा होती हैं तो वो जितना भी मटेरियल है वो अपने साथ ले लेती हैं और कहाँ पर छोड़ती हैं, वो ऑफ शोर. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And the
Yes, ma'am.
next is
Yes,
glaciers
ma'am.
also, moving ice piece. मूविंग पीसेस ऑफ आइस ग्लेशियर्स, वो भी जब मूव कर रहे हैं उनके साथ कुछ अभी साथ में आता है, तो दे आर taking that also, and then whenever the glaciers are there at one place settled, that is we can means these depositional features appear that time also. So these four, river, water, sea waves and glaciers, they are the reasons for erosional and depositional work. I hope it is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Endogenic forces sometimes produce sudden movements. अब एंडोजेनिक जो फोर्सेस होते हैं, एंडोजेनिक फोर्सेस मींस द फोर्सेस व्हिच अपीयर डीप इंटीरियर ऑफ द अर्थ. When it produces, जब डीप इनसाइड हो रहा है तो क्या हो रहा है? सडन मूवमेंट ऑन द आउटर ऑफ पार्ट ऑफ द अर्थ, एंड एट अदर टाइम्स प्रोड्यूसेस स्लो मूवमेंट, और धीरे धीरे ये मूवमेंट होते हैं. कभी कभी वी आर नॉट एबल टू फील, समटाइम्स वी आर एबल टू फील दीज मूवमेंट्स in the form of what? Earthquake and volcanic eruption. जब ये मूवमेंट डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ होते हैं, तो जब मूवमेंट होता है अंदर, तो ये बाहर की तरफ क्या प्रोड्यूस करता है? अर्थक्वेक, भूकंप आता है. क्यों? क्योंकि डीप इनसाइड द अर्थ फोर्सेस आर एक्टिंग. Clear? The movement is there deep inside the earth in the lithospheric plates. That is why the earthquake appears, and volcanic eruption also there, and this cause mass destruction. Mass destruction means बहुत ज्यादा harmful होते हैं ये लोगों के लिए भी on the surface of the earth. When earthquake appears, volcanic eruption, when the speed of the earthquake is very high, volcanic eruption is near the settlements of the people, then what happened? Might be it will be more destructive. Clear? I hope this endogenic and exogenic is clear. The movement of
Yes,
the
ma'am.
plates.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now here it is a volcano. Volcano. What is a volcano? Underline this. A volcano is a vent opening. Vent is, meaning of vent is opening in a earth crust through which molten material erupts suddenly. Erupts means come out. Molten material come out suddenly. It is called volcano. Here it is given, and different parts of volcano is also given. When the, what is a volcano? It is a vent. That means it is a opening in the earth crust. ये earth है, उसमें जरा सा opening हो गई है, और वहां से क्या निकल रहा है? The molten material is coming here through the vent. Lava निकल रहा है, hot lava in the form of liquid also, and when it settles down on the earth surface, then it takes the form of different types of rocks. Yes or no? Igneous rock is formed.
Yes, ma'am. वो जम जाता है.
फिर वो पूरा rock cycle बनता है. Igneous rock से, when igneous rocks break down into the smaller pieces, sedimentary, then sedimentary, more pressure and heat is given to that, it is changes into metamorphic. So this is the cycle of rock cycle also. And the volcano, what is a volcano? It is the vent or an opening in the earth crust. I hope it is clear. We'll continue this in the next class. Okay, till then,
Yes, ma'am.
read it till here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank
Thank you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.